Hey there, online shopping enthusiasts. Welcome to our product guide show. I'm your packaging guru. Oh, it seems like our package had a rough journey and ended up a little worse for wear. No worries, I'm here to show you how we handle this bumpy ride situation. First, let's inspect the packaging of the goods one by one and take photos during this process so that we can have evidence to provide feedback to the service team via email. We see that the outermost layer is provided by the logistics company, so if this layer is damaged, there's no need to worry. Then, as we open the inner packaging step by step, in the second layer of packaging, we find a sturdy cardboard box made of 5 layers of corrugated material. Finally, let's open the innermost colorful box packaging, and to our surprise, the product is in perfect condition. What a relief! Don't hesitate. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Our team is always ready for you.